Hey everybody, it's Shock here. Today we're going to do a 10-minute bicep and forearm workout. So grab you a pair of dumbbells. This is going to be 30 seconds of work and 30 seconds of rest. Let's get after it. So notice how I'm controlling the weights. This is where most people lose the exercise. They let gravity do the work, but the real growth is in the resistance. It's staying engaged when it'd be easier to just let go and let the weight swing. See how slow that is? That's intentional tension. In life, we often rush through the hard parts, the uncomfortable parts, but discomfort is information. It's where the adaptation process occurs. So watch the range of motion here. So I'm going all the way down. I'm feeling the stretch, then curling all the way up. So that's full range, not half repping my potential. When you cut range of motion, you cut growth. Same thing happens when we avoid the full spectrum of our emotions or experiences. We stay small. So notice in this exercise here, I'm bringing this weight up to the halfway point. Now here's where the real work begins, because most people think the hard work is lifting the weight up, but that's not where you build true strength. It's in the resistance. It's in the slow descent. Again, watch this. I'm fighting gravity every single inch of the way down. This is a negative curl. So your biceps are probably gonna be screaming right now, begging you to just drop it. But don't listen to that voice. So here you can see I'm curling all the way up. This is peak contraction, which you're squeezing at the top. So you're probably gonna start feeling that burn here soon. That's because forearms are endurance muscles, high reps, constant tension, because they don't respond to shortcuts, they respond to persistence. As you can see, I'm slowly coming down there, keeping the dumbbells together. Keep working, keep working, keep working. So squeeze, control down, keep your elbows locked. If your elbows start bending, you're going to turn this into a bicep curl. We want pure wrist flexion here. So you can see I'm keeping my shoulders back, keeping them down. Don't let them round forward. Stand tall. Your posture affects how effectively you can isolate the forearms. Your core should be braced to keep you stable during this exercise. So let's move into in and out hammer curls. The same concepts, posture, form that we went over in those previous exercises, they apply here too. Control movements. Notice I'm controlling these movements. I'm not swinging left to right. My core is tight. My posture is solid. This is how you get the most effective use out of the exercise. Next, we have that mid-bicep curl. So we're starting at a halfway point, 90 degrees, bringing the weight up so our forearms are parallel to the deck. This is your starting position for every rep. Don't let your arms drop below that point. So you may be already feeling that tension already. Remember, there's no rest at the bottom movement. That's the point of continuous tension throughout the entire set. Contraction, 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 contraction. So this one here is a two-part movement. So we're starting with a wrist curl down, then transitioning into a full bicep curl. So the arms are hanging at our sides, dumbbells in your hand. As you can see, I'm coming to the front so you guys can get a better visual here. Curling, then I'm turning over to that bicep curl. Squeezing the grip, wrist flexors is activating our forearm flexors before we get started to the bicep curl. So here I'm curling up together. So both arms are working simultaneously. So the dumbbell stays center. I'm not letting it tilt to one side. Both biceps have to fire evenly to keep the weight balanced. So you can see the elbows are coming forward slightly because of the grip position. That's normal with this variation. You can see I'm slowly contracting, slowly contraction. I'm not swinging. My core is tight. My breathing is there. And that is it, my friends. Workout has been completed. If you stayed to the end, appreciate you watching. Keep getting after. Let's go into our prayer time here. So to the person who's watching this video, I pray you find the strength to keep showing up for yourself and the courage to push past your limits and the wisdom to know that every small step you take today is building the person you're becoming tomorrow. God bless you.